touched the walls of the city streets and didn't explain, sadly showed us our ways. I've never asked him why. Cast down, it was heaven sent, and to the church, no intent to repent. On my knees, just to cry. Until you travel to that place you can't come back, where the last pain is gone and all that's left is black. Bright nights he's coming to me, and someday they'll punish my deeds and they'll find all the crimes. But then they ask when they're gonna see them. Then they're gonna ask to feel the ghosts, the walls, the dreams. Well, I've got mine. At last those coming came, and they never looked back. With blinding stars in their eyes, but all they saw was black. Fooled them, hoping to seem like the slayer of evil, but the pride of greed, and it's not a mask, so be honest with me. We can't afford to ignore